Hello, we are the team Domaine, Terres, and we are going to present the different robots in our installation, which represent one of the specialities of the Bordeaux region in France, the vine culture during the seasons from the harvest to the tasting. But first, our team is composed of Clara and Hermine, our decoration managers and block programmers, Mathis, our Python programmer, Samuel, our robot designer and developer, and me, Pauline, in charge of the choreography. Our robot installation is composed of 2 Ergo Junior poppy arms symbolizing the vine, 2 M-bots symbolizing the spring and the vine's treatment, 1 drone carrier, a straddle tractor, and a winery and a winemaker.
So here is our robots in the order of their apparition on stage. First of all, we have the winemaker. His face is made of 4 LED matrices that display several forms when it detects sound at the beginning and the end of the program. His 2 arms are motorized thanks to 2 micro servo motors. The displacements of the winemaker are achieved with an holobot placed under the structure. The program is launched through the detection of an obstacle by an infrared sensor. The robot then moves in several directions thanks to its 3 motors and light in different colors thanks to 3 LEDs.
Spring is represented by a M-bot. To start moving, the robot needs to detect an obstacle using an ultrasonic sensor, and then it follows a black line and stops at every white space.
The vines are represented by 2 Poppy Ergo Junior articled arms equipped with 6 dynamic cell servo motors. These illuminate in different colors, change position once are in a loop. These changes take place when 3 different QR codes are recognized by a camera.
Winemakers are using new technologies such as remote sensing to watch out their vines. When the color sensor detects the green color, a gear motor rotates a pulley which in turn drives a string on which a drone is attached. At the same time, 2 stripes of 30 LEDs light up successively and are following the same path as a drone. To program the LEDs, the creation of a variable was needed, its decrementation, then its incrementation.
One of our vines is gonna get sick. A second M-bot, which represented a treatment, starts following the black line when it detects an obstacle thanks to an ultrasonic sensor. It follows the line thanks to a line follower. It only stopped in front of the second vines and healed it by spreading confetti with a mini fan. Then it starts moving again to get back the black line. The straddle tractor programs begin when it detects a certain amount of light. It then follows the black line thanks to a line follower and it stops at every white space.
The winery is made up of 2 doors fitted with racks driven by 2 geared motors with pinions. These start to turn when various robots are detected by an ultrasonic sensor. A strip of 30 LEDs lights up blue when the doors are opened.
Thus, our installation is composed of 8 robotic systems with 12 different sensors to acquire information. These informations are processed by 9 motherboards and 3 different programmation languages, which are themselves powered by 11 batteries and 6 accumulators. The conversion of electrical energy into mechanical energy is achieved by 9 geared motors, 2 micro servo motors, 3 motors, 1 motor for mini fan, 12 servo motors with LEDs. The conversion of electrical energy into luminous energy is achieved by 3 LEDs, 3 stripes of 30 LEDs, 4 LED matrices. Finally, there are 2 mechanical transmissions that transform rotational movements into translational movements. 1 rack and pinion transmission and 1 pulley belt transmission.